Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Ethereum valuation, where we have been seeing a breakdown of this parallel channel towards the upside, and right now we are seeing a retest of previous support flipping into resistance. So will we be breaking through this level? That is the question. What still remains to be seen here. And in today's video I will be discussing what is extremely likely to see right now for Ethereum to happen. And as well, I will be going over some other interesting charts where we are seeing that Ethereum is right now running into its daily resistance. And as well, we will be talking about the current ongoing Ethereum balance on exchanges still dropping off towards all-time lows here. Right now as well, we will be discussing the Ethereum daily chart, where we of course saw a beautiful retest here of the 0.236 here, signifying that we're once again forming a higher low and that we could be maybe running up towards higher levels again from here on. As well, I will be going over the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, where we were discussing yesterday that we were seeing a very good accumulation zone, since this orange box is for me always accumulation for Ethereum. And of course the top side will be selling at the exact time of recording right now. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure that you are going to smash up that like button, and as well make sure that you're going to subscribe to this channel, since we have been warning you guys yesterday about a significant trade here on Ethereum. And if you took that trade, you have been absolutely crushing it, of course. We were warning you guys about a falling wedge here on the Ethereum compared to US dollar pair here on the 1 hourly candles, together with a bullish divergence and a bullish bullish divergence on the MACD. So this was of course a very good call that we made here, because since that point, of course, we broke out towards the upside, like you can see over here. And right now we are of course trading at way higher levels. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. As well, smashing up that like button will be of course supporting me, the channel, and you will be helping out the cryptocurrency space in general. So make sure to go and do it right now here. And let me start off with discussing the Ethereum valuation right away here. So yeah, like I told you already, Ethereum broke out of this falling wedge just like Bitcoin was doing here, and since then it increased and it already is reaching its price target. Since I of course yesterday told everyone as well here that the $3,243 will be my price target of this, of course, the significant pattern that we were breaking out of. So yeah, we clearly saw the breakout. We retested this daily level of previous resistance that you can see over here. We were seeing previous support acting as support over here, acting as resistance over here, while trading above it, acting as support, while trading below it, acting as resistance. And right now, of course, like you can see on the 1 hourly candles, once again, it is acting as resistance. So what we could be seeing right now here is, if we're going to go back towards the 30-minute time frame, that we're maybe creating some kind of a bull flag, because I'm pretty bullish right now on Ethereum and Bitcoin, since I'm right now still as well, like you already know, probably in a long position on Bitcoin, and I will be anticipating the 47.9k as my take profit area, and that will be of course an extreme good level to take some profits out. But right now it looks to be that Ethereum is forming some kind of a bull flag, and this bull flag could be of course a very significant one, since if we're going to measure the measured move here, and if we're going to look from the point of breakout where we could be heading towards, is Ethereum maybe going to see another 6% move towards the upside going to create here. So if we're going to break out of this bull flag towards the upside, of course we're going to see Ethereum trading back towards the $3,400, and if we're going to trade against that level, we are as well setting a higher high than the previous highs over here, signifying that we're of course continuing the uptrend even further. But of course, like we already know here, we were here in a downtrend, and right now we formed a higher high, so you can see downtrend, and right now we are forming uptrend, since we have been forming a higher high than the previous high. So yeah, it's looking already particularly good here. It looks to be that we're just forming another higher low here, and that we are just going to continue further up towards the upside. So it looks, generally speaking, very good right now for Ethereum on the 1 hourly candles. As well, if we're looking to the momentum indicators, it is generally looking very healthy. The MACD is not seeing any weird signals right now as well for enabling the EMA ribbon. We are currently getting supported by the EMA ribbon even, while we were of course first finding resistance on it along the way down here. So it looks, yeah, pretty interesting, and it looks very solid that we're going to see a breakout anytime soon here. As well, if I'm going to move on here further towards the 4 hourly candles, I'm getting a little bit worried, of course. So yeah, we are reaching this level of daily resistance. So yeah, of course, like you can see over here, like I already discussed, we are running in towards daily resistance, whereas well on the 4 hourly candles, we are running in towards a very critical level of previous support. What is right now just flipping into resistance, of course, like you can see, support, right now acting as resistance. So for sure, if I be very realistic, this could be leading to a very significant correction. But I as well want to take a look at Bitcoin. And like you, if you haven't already checked it before, make sure to go back to my channel and check out my Bitcoin update, because there I was saying that I was pretty bullish still on Bitcoin. Right now, I'm still as well in this long position, and I still think that we are at least going to see this 48K getting reached here for Bitcoin. I expect as well that Ethereum is going to potentially see this breakthrough once again of this level. So we already had 2 retests, and we were not successfully breaking through of it yet. But personally, I do expect another retest and maybe a re-entry, and as soon as we are going to see a re-entry of this pattern, we could be climbing back towards the top side of this resistance target over here in a very rapid pace. So looking forward towards that one already. We have to be remaining a little bit more calm, since of course, if I take this at a clear approach, and if I will be not looking at Bitcoin, I will be very bearish on this, since previous support flipping into resistance is a very major sell signal for me, and this is as well a signal for me to let's say go out of the market, since it's not generally a good buying opportunity around this range. So I would definitely want to be saying be careful right now with Ethereum, but yeah, I mean, since Bitcoin is looking so strong here, I will not be so bearish right now on Ethereum. As well, from enabling the EMA ribbon, you can see we flipped bearish over here. We got rejected by it, and right now we're trading above it once again. So even though if we're going to decrease a little bit here, we could be still, of course, create another leg towards the upside. So decreasing back towards the $3,150 will be very healthy, very good as well. So I'm looking forward towards how that is possible and how that will be playing out for all the Ethereum holders out there. So yeah, I should also highly suggest, of course, to follow me on Twitter, since, of course, we made this perfect call on Twitter, and as well follow me on YouTube, since we discussed this significant trade setup yesterday. Right now, I don't have a trade setup for all the people that are wondering here, since, we took this trade yesterday, and right now, I don't see a significant trade here. Of course, I see this bull flag playing out. This bull flag could be, of course, if we're going to see a breakout through the top side, signifying, of course, okay, I could be opening a long position right now here, but, of course, it doesn't have the least amount of risk, and I only will be trading the things that have the least amount of risk here. So, yeah, on the breakout, Ethereum was pretty low risk for the potential reward here. You could have taken 1% total stop loss for a potential 7% reward. Was, of course, a beautiful setup. And right now, I don't really see this with this setup over here. I definitely think it's too high of a risk to open a trade over here. That's the reason why I'm being a little bit more calm. And I still think the prices will be increasing, but be a little bit more calm. And of course, make sure to just follow me on Twitter, so you are into these trades early on here. So @RoverCC is the Twitter account as well. If you're already there here, you could be as well join our team here on the Bybit competition. There's right now currently a competition running here with a prize pool of $7.5 million US. You could be joining our team right now here in it to win it, because we are here to win this competition. We are the Crypto Rover team, like you can see over here, and we are only here to take the #1 spot. Already 56 of you guys are joining the team already. Let's make this the strongest team here of the competition. And of course, we will be taking these trades all together. I will be once again showing all my trade setups as well with you guys, so we could be joining this trade, and so we could be crushing this competition all together. So make sure that you are already signing up. Make sure that you're going to go into the link in the description and join this team already, since if you are in this team, we could be taking these trades together, and we could be absolutely crushing the market. We are right now the 4th biggest team here, but we are definitely going to become at least the #1 or 2 here, in my opinion. So looking forward towards that, and of course, the more people that are going to join the team, the stronger we're going to become. And of course, since we are literally only making profits here recently, and of course I will be probably thinking, of course I don't know what the future will do here, but I mean probably 9 out of the 10 or 8 out of the 10 trades will be still profitable. So make sure that you're keeping your eyes out on the channel, and I'm loving the feedback as well from you guys over here right now. So the daily candles, of course, want to be paying attention towards this as well. If we're looking to the EMA ribbon, you can clearly see we got supported by it together with the 0.236 in the Fibonacci. We set up this Fibonacci not perfectly, excuse me. This is not set up that well. So you can see over here, excuse me, it was not set up right. You can see swing low towards swing high getting connected, and then we are seeing, of course, the 0.236 in the Fibonacci coming together. This is a major level of previous resistance, and right now it flipped, of course, in major support. And you can see it was definitely a very good accumulation zone around that range here. We already broke through of this previous daily resistance line over here, what is of course also very good. We even retested it, and personally think we are about to go to see this top side getting reached here of the $3,400 US once again. So yeah, daily candles looking generally very good as well. This retest of the EMA ribbon looking very healthy. Always once the daily is going in an uptrend on the EMA ribbon, it tends to survive pretty long here, and we're still getting supported by it. So it looks generally looking very well here. And yeah, of course, we also know, if we're looking to the Bitcoin dominance here, is that the Bitcoin dominance is falling out of this rising wedge, and we're even falling further and further towards the downside. So this as well signifies that the altcoins are going to at least take some more territorium out of these larger caps here, out of Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum could be for sure leading the way here in the coming days. Here, it's already outperforming Bitcoin in the past 24 hours. So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's update video. It was a pretty short update video once again here, but let me know in the comment section about which altcoin, or maybe if we should be doing a live stream, since probably I will be doing a live stream later on today. So guys, thank you so much for watching here to this amazing new video here on the channel, and make sure that you are going to ring the bell notification on this channel and smash up that like button so you're not going to miss out on our next trade here, since a lot of people are right now asking me, Rover, I feel so bad that I missed out of the trade here, and that's the reason why you want to be smashing up the bell notification, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.